Merry Christmas, everybody, and today we have a Christmas special. Today we are doing some Christmas photography using Christmas tree decorations. As you can see, I have a beautiful Christmas tree behind me, which I've borrowed. We're not going to be using the decorations on this tree. We're going to go down to the big tree in my living room and steal some decorations from that tree. We're then going to set them up on this desk, and I'm going to have half an hour to take as many cool photos as I can. I have a few rules. I can use the decorations from the tree. I've got a few things I can use as background. I've got some tinsel, I've got my light, and then I can mix up multiple decorations to make little scenes. Okay, so I've collected the decorations. I have two baubles, a gold and a red. Now I collected a gold and a red because my theme, my colours, generally seem to be gold and red. So, gold and red baubles. I have a little red and gold Christmas present. I have a snowy bauble. This is transparent, so I'm hoping I can get some cool light going through it. Similarly, I picked up this angel because it has some wire holes in it, and so I'm thinking if I shine a light through it, it will make some really cool photos, if not shadows, so that one will be fun. I collected a nutcracker, a little nativity scene, and a train. So I'm now going to clear off my desk, and I'm going to be using the Canon 250D and 50mm 1.8 Canon lens, and then I'll start taking photos. I'll have a clock so you can see the time. It's about 10 past 11 right now, so I'm going to clear the desk off, and then I will start my 30 minutes and try and get as many cool photos as I can. And you can see the time is 11:09. Gonna leave that there so you can keep track of the time. So, starting off, I think I'm going to do the nativity scene. Here you can see the nativity scene in more detail. And this is quite a nice scene in total. I'm going to take some photos of this and then put some other things behind it. So I'm mainly using natural light here from the window. I have my light on 12% power, so there's not much power at all. It's simply being a filler light just to stop the shadows. And you can see there's a nice image there. So I've had 5 minutes of my time and I've only got through one. This means I'm really going to have to speed it up or I'm not going to get through them. But I'm just going to do plain shots of the rest of them and then I'll start spicing it up. So for the train, as you can see, I've got a little bit of backlight here. It's even less power now. That is all the way down to 5%, simply putting in a tiny bit of light behind the train. The reason I've done this is to get a little bit of separation. You see, the train, the cream parts on the train were starting to blend in with the wall. Now you can't really see it on the camera screen, but you will be able to see it when I show you the photo. Putting the light behind it gives it a little glow around the edge, which separates it from the background. So there you could see I took some photos of the nutcracker. I turned the camera vertical for the nutcracker so I could get him all in and it could still be nice and zoomed in. So I'm now going to move straight on to the next one because I'm running out of time. I've already had 10 minutes and I have half an hour. So if we can get through all the rest of the decorations in 5 minutes, then we'll have 15 minutes to do some cool combos, but it's starting to look unlikely. So we were having a little bit of difficulty with reflection for this angel. It's a metal angel, and we were getting some harsh reflections on the face from my window light. and so I had to rotate it round, and I'm now using, again, a soft light on the actual light. Not too soft, but it is still quite soft, and that gave us these beautiful clear photos where you can see the beautiful, nice red colour without harsh reflections. Okay, so now everything has been photographed. I'm now going to go and get all of them and see what cool scenes I can make. I'll try doing like the light through the bulbul, which reminds me, I've missed out one of them. This bulbul ran away. Quickly take a photo of this one. And there we go. So now we have 12 minutes left to get some really cool combination photos. Okay, so I want to get the tinsel in an arch so I can have it behind the photos. So I've got some wire. Here I have some wire, and I'm going to try and make it an arch so it will stay up. Okay, so we have 3 minutes left, and I've done all the photos with the tinsel. I'm now going to get the light and see if I can get some cool light shining through the angel and the transparent bulbul, but this is going to be tight. And it's 11:40, which means time is up. And so there we have it, all the photos have been taken. It only took us half an hour, and we got some very good photos. The angels and the transparent bulbul didn't take the light going through them very well. It didn't work with shadows and the like. That would probably take a bigger setup, and with one light and a rather gloomy room, it didn't work. So I'm going to slideshow those photos for you to watch, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas.